Hello students, welcome to Mahindra's Group Tuition's YouTube channel. I am Aishwarya and today I will be telling you the reduction in HEC biology syllabus. Now this is an official announcement, so students please note down whatever I have listed in this video. In Standard 12 Biology, we have 15 chapters and those which I have marked in red are that topics which you don't have to study for your board exam, but those topics are still there if you are preparing for your competitive exams such as NEET. In chapter 1, which is reproduction in lower and higher plants, topic number 1, which is asexual reproduction, is deleted. All other topics are there. In chapter 2, which is reproduction in lower and higher animals, topic 2.1, asexual reproduction in animals, is deleted. In chapter number 3, there is no deletion, so you have to study all the topics. Again, in chapter number 4, there is no deletion. In chapter number 5, topic number 5.6, which is modern synthetic theory of evolution, and topic number 5.13, which is human evolution, is there. All other topics are deleted. In chapter number 6, which is plant water relation, only 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 topics are there. From 6.4 onwards till 6.13, which is structural stomatal apparatus, is deleted. In chapter number 7, plant growth and minerals, only topic number 7.9, which is growth hormones, is to be studied. Rest all are deleted. In chapter number 8, topic 8.5, under modified respiratory movements, artificial ventilation and ventilator is deleted. All other topics are to be studied. And in 8.16, lymphatic system, angiography, heart transplant and silent heart attack are deleted. The rest topics under lymphatic system you are supposed to study. In chapter number 9, which is control and coordination, under sensory receptors, you have a topic which is reflex action and their types. So only that is deleted. Other topics from sensory receptors are there. And under disorders of nervous system, the subtopic receptors is deleted. So please note the changes. The whole topic is not deleted, but just the subtopics are deleted. Alright. In chapter number 10, there is no deletion. In chapter number 11, topic 11.2, plant breeding, tissue culture and animal husbandry, all these three topics are deleted. The rest of them are there for your exam. In chapter number 12, nothing is deleted. In chapter number 13, nothing is deleted. In chapter number 14, you only have to study ecological succession. The rest of the topics are deleted. In chapter number 15, environmental issues, greenhouse effect, global warming, ozone depletion, deforestation, these topics are deleted. All others are to be studied. So if you have any query, any doubt regarding the syllabus or any topic, feel free to contact 8080877290 or you can mail us on dilip.mahindare@gmail.com. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.